Hi, Madeline. I'm just going to explain those three questions because they're really quick. So if you look at question number 12, they give you the zeros -2, 3, and √3. So the question said they want to find additional zeros. So you have to have the conjugate of the square root. So you should also have -√3. So you had picked this one, and those are the opposite signs, but you just want the additional one. Okay? So let's go to the next question. Question 13, they want to know the vertex and the axis of symmetry. So you had it correct. The vertex is going to be x equals -b divided by 2a. So b is 16, so we've got -16. And then 2 times a is 2, which does give you -4. So if that's our x value, you can find the y value and they're different, but you also know the axis of symmetry is on a parabola that opens up. It's going to be a vertical line, and so that's always going to be the equation x equals whatever your x value is. So you should have -4, and I'm not even going to find the y value, but the axis of symmetry should be x equals -4. So if you go through your choices, there's only one option, so I didn't even have to find the y value, okay? And then the last question, you are really close. They want the solutions. So if you factor, I know the factors of 54 are 9 times 6, and they both need to be positive to get to 15. So we'll have x plus 9, and then x plus 6. But then when you set them both equal to 0, the actual roots are going to be -9 and -6. So those are the solutions and those are the factors, okay? So your solutions should be the opposite signs. All right, so hope that helped.